everyone, I am Geetanjali, working as an assistant professor from the Department of ECE. Now we are in LIC lab. I'll be explaining you the experiment. The main aim of the experiment is to design an adder, integrator, differentiator by a given signal using an op-amp. First we will look into an adder. Adder, what do you mean by adder? Adder means it adds a two signal and gives you the output. It might be n number of signals will be added by using an adder circuit. Now in this experiment we are using two signals. Those are V1 and V2 are the two inputs that will be given to a circuit, and output will be the addition of both the signal. So here we are using, there are two types of adder, inverting adder and non-inverting adder. Inverting adder, we are using inverting adder here. Inverting adder means the input is given to an inverting terminal and non-inverting terminal is grounded. So we can see the connection now. So this circuit has been rigged up as per the circuit diagram. So V1 and V2 are the inputs. We have given 2.2 volts as an input, V1 and V2. 2 volts V1 and V2 is also 2.1. What should be the output? It should be 4 volts. 4 volts peak to peak. So this is IC 741 op-amp. These are the connection. We have used the power supply, and this is a signal generator. This is a digital CRO where you are checking the output. See, the blue line says it is a input signal that is given to an inverting terminal, and yellow line it is an output. In this you can just see the measurement. 2 volt is being given as an input. Output is 4 volts. So it is a summation of both the signal and you need to get 4 volts. So this is about the adder. Next we will deal with integrated circuit. Integrated circuit means it is integrating the input signal to get an output. Here output will be the integral of the input. Here circuit has been rigged up as per the circuit diagram. We are using signal generator to give a 5 volts peak to peak and 1 kilohertz. And this is the output is checked in a digital CRO. This is an input which you have given, that is a square wave, 5 volt peak to peak. You can just see the measurement. It is 4.96. It is approximately equal to 5 volts. And the output what you are getting is integral of this square wave. So that is a triangle wave. The output is a triangle wave. Yeah, this is all about the integrated circuit. Next we will move on to the differential circuit. Next is a differential circuit. What do you mean by differentiator? It means the output is a differentiator of an input. Means the input is been differentiated to get an output. Okay, here the circuit is been rigged up as per the circuit diagram. We are giving the input as 2 volt peak to peak and 100 hertz. And this is our input which we are giving. It is a square wave. The output is a differentiator of an square wave. So this is your output. This is all about the differential circuit. Yeah. Expected Viva questions are: what do you mean by adder? Which adder we are using here? What do you mean by inverting adder, non-inverting adder? And what is the formula of an integrator? What do you mean by integrator? How do you define a differentiator? And what is the formula of an differentiator? The output. So these are the few Viva questions they might ask you. Thank you.